Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add fonts. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. So as you see right now, if I press select font on my text, I just have the regular fonts on my computer. I did download this 28 days later font, but let me show you how to go ahead and do that for yourself. So go to wherever you want to get a font from. Me, I like to use the font. It's just pretty good. Let's go download this July Go. So now that it's downloaded, I can go ahead, head over into my downloads, go ahead and right click it, and then extract the folder. Or well, if it lets me right click it, okay, extract all. And then once you go ahead and do that, you can go ahead and press on the July Go font, and then just go ahead and press install. It's how most fonts work. And then now all you need to do is relaunch your OBS. So I'll just go ahead and close this and then open OBS. And now I should be able to use that July Go font. So let's go ahead and check that out. Let's go to the J's. We passed the J's. Of course we did. Here, let me use this. Probably a little bit easier. G-H-I-J. There it is, July Go. Now I have the July Go font, and now I've added a font to OBS. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching.